thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3 p.m. for western Warwick County. At 2:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Boonville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evansville, Boonville, and Chandler. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3 p.m. for the following counties: Warwick, Indiana. The national...
Now it's just going to begin messing around with the emergency alert system generator that this guy made. Shout out to the guy who made it, by the way. But, Jesus Christ.